Hello everyone. So the books I had for physics 2025 ICSE paper was this 10 years solved for PYQs book from Oswal. This is the question bank for certainly physics. This is concise physics. This is the school register. This is the notes copy which I used. This is for myself home. This was the coaching register. Step number 1, how to read a chapter. So first you have to start with concise book, obviously. Taking the chapter number 1, the very first thing you have to do, you should read the chapter and you should underline the important points like I have. So this is the first step you should do. After that you should solve the examples which are given, and the objective types are very important, and after this you should do the numericals which are given. And you should also cut these parts which are not in the syllabus. Step number 2 you should do is you should make notes in your home copy like I have done. I have made notes of all chapters. As you can see, I have also uploaded them. These are the examples of the numericals which I have done, and these are the numericals I have done. You can see I can also share the solutions of the numericals if you want. So these are all the numericals of physics book in the book which are given. So like, see, after doing all of this, I have started the second chapter. This is how a chapter is completely done. The most important tip is reading the notes section, like this block. This block is given in almost every chapter, and this is from where the questions actually come in the exam. These are actually the solutions of the questions which have previously come in the previous examination. You should also do the examples from where the application based and competency based questions come. Question practice is very important. Like in this copy, you can see I have started from chapter 12, and you can see how many answers I have done. These are all answers, and you can see I have nearly done at least 70 questions from the radioactivity chapter, such a small chapter. Question practice is very important. You can also do question practice from this books, obviously you should done, and from the question bank. The question bank is helpful and you can buy it or not also. So how the question bank looks like. So first I have read all the revision notes which are given. They are also nice and helpful. The mind maps are actually really nice and helps you grasp the knowledge. Now PYQs are very important. See, the year is written in which these questions have come. So you should first do the question bank and then you should move to the 10-year paper. I am again saying that objective types are really important because these are like 15 marks of the paper. You should complete your syllabus by October, which is very important, and case based questions are also given which are equally important for the examination. After doing all of this, you should come to the 10-year PYQ book. You can get this book anywhere, and this is from Oswal, the edition 2025 edition. So these are paper from 2024 to 2014, and you will get all the optional. This is the physics section. You will get all the optional subjects in this book. Now moving to the physics part, you can see I have done nearly all the questions. Nearly nahi, सारे ही किए हैं. So this is everything I have done, and I have also ticked the questions from each chapter. The answers are also given which are very helpful. You should also do these questions only when your syllabus is completed. That means after October. The most important and difficult chapters are actually of electromagnetism, calorimetry or heat, and of sound. Now these chapters no one will tell you, but actually the theory which is written and the type of questions which come in exam are really very different. Only reading the chapter will not help you to able to solve the questions which have come in exam. So as you can see, this is the heat chapter. These are the examples, and this is from where the questions actually come from. It will not come from the other theory which is given. You just need to know the theory. These boxes are helpful as these are the equations and definitions. In the definitions don't come, but you should write these only when if the definition is asked, and the note section, as I have already told, is important. Derivations can also be asked. This is the series connection derivation, and nextly this is the parallel connection derivation. Now for derivations I can make you another video just for the derivation, which will be helpful to all of you. After studying all of this, you are going to get this question paper at the end of the year. So as I'm telling, objectives are important because 15 marks are of objectives. You can see these are all objective types of questions, the MCQs. Now you will also get fill in the blanks, and you can see this is a question from sound, this is electromagnetism. These are very different from the theory which is given in the book. This is really easy question, this is from electricity. Now the question is really different. This is from radioactivity. Even from a chapter like this they have given such a hard question. These are all competency based. Now in section B you will get these two questions, 20 marks from the light chapter. Now the only normal question is the focal length, where they have asked the focal length. So these are the easy questions. The paper was really hard. It will come under the category of hard. This was the most hard paper of all. Now this is from also sound chapter, I am again and again saying, and this is from electricity. The questions are different from the theory. You just not need to know the theory. And this is the question from heat and electromagnetism. I am telling you again and again that you have to complete these chapters, the heat and electromagnetism, by August or September. By doing all of this, and you should solve this paper at the end, you will be able to